Welcome to a brand new episode. We've got Thanos right here from the Avengers Infinity Wars. Brand new, just recently released. Let's take him out the box. Now, one thing for sure, he is definitely way bigger than most Funko Pops, and they did a fantastic job on him. Just want to get close up so you can see all the details. He is a bobblehead. I don't think Marvel does Funko Pops that aren't bobbleheads like how Star Wars is. But this is a must-have in my opinion if you're a fan. And he is available now. So if you're looking for him, I definitely will put more information in the description box below. There are tons of different versions of him. I want to hit you with a detailed HD look. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're new. And let me know your favorite character from Marvel Avengers Infinity War. Thanks for tuning in. Much love. Alright, I haven't done a new Funko Pop chase hunting vlog in a while. So we're gonna do it. I would show my face, but the sun is just so bright. It's like 70 degrees right now. We're gonna try Toys R Us first.
Hiredjdelz.
Alright, so let's check out the Funko Pops they got. I don't see anything new yet. They got Shinsuke Nakamura, like a whole ton of them. Shinsuke Nakamura, they made like 1 billion of them. Look over here. Look at all these Shinsuke Nakamuras, which I'm not mad at. He's freaking awesome. Huge fan of Shinsuke. Lord of the Rings. This is a sweet one right here. Box is dented up though. Every time I see this one, I think of Sheamus, but it's not Sheamus. It looks like Sheamus though, right? Razor Ramon. Oh, they got a ton of Kylo Ren Toys R Us exclusives. Can't stand Kylo Ren. He's such a brat. We'll look at some WWE stuff before we go. They've got Kurt Angle, one of the greatest. They got The Bar. They got my dude TJ Perkins, my Filipino brother. Make sure to check out our videos we got together, talking sneakers. We've got this, which was such a crocker, you know what. I can't believe Triple H didn't have Sting win at WrestleMania. He finally signs to WWE and then he loses. But we all know how Triple H does. He likes to bury people, the man with 3 H's. They got this awesome Macho Man. This is too sweet. And they got this Macho Man, comes with the shades. Dope. They got Honky Tonk Man and the Ultimate Warrior. And that's about it. That's catching my eye. Oh, they got this here. This Nia Jax, which is so weird because she has the Money in the Bank briefcase. She never had the Money in the Bank briefcase. So why the hell does she have it? I don't get it. But maybe this is rare. Who the hell knows? But I don't care about that. I'm about to get up out of here. Enough with Toys R Us. Nothing good here really as far as with Funko Pops. Let's go to Hot Topic and we'll see. I never have luck there. And then we'll go check out FYE after. Alright, we're at Hot Topic. They got Kurt Cobain, King Dice. We scored. Sick. At Hot Topics, now we are at FYE. Let's see if they got anything here. Whoa! Yes! We're doing good today. Got my Jordan 3s on. Found Jack. Black Panther. This is crazy. I've never seen so many chases in one store. Wow, Razor Ramon. Unbelievable. So many chases here. I've never seen nothing like this. This pop is so sick. Dude, this is crazy. This is crazy right here. I've never seen nothing like this ever. 4 chases in one store. Alright, so we are home and I just can't believe all the crazy Funko Pop chases that I scored today. I can't believe that I had the luck that I had today. This is definitely going down as far as, with me, the greatest ever Funko Pop chase hunt. So first, we scored at Hot Topic. And you see what we got here? We got the Cuphead King Dice chase. And I never thought I was going to get this one. This is pretty sought after, but I lucked out. I was at the right place at the right time, and I just cannot believe I lucked out on it. So this was the first chase I scored today. And by the way, I did get Sasha. If you didn't see that video from the other day, check out that video. I highly recommend you getting Sasha, the Walker Sasha. And speaking of The Walking Dead, I got Daryl Dixon in his prisoner outfit when Negan, man, just abused this poor man. Hit that thumbs up button for Daryl. I mean, he was going through it, man. I felt so bad with the Easy Street. That was the only thing I really loved about it, that Easy Street song. I love that song. Don't judge me, but I play it sometimes. But this is an amazing, amazing Funko Pop, and I recommend it. I will link that in the description box below. They had tons of them at FYE. Tons and tons of them. Definitely try to get one. When I went to FYE, the first thing I noticed was there was a Black Panther chase. And here is a Black Panther chase. Now, there's a lot to this story. This is not the one I bought. I actually passed this on to someone else at the store who was looking for a Black Panther chase. I already had one. I actually have two, to be honest with you. I don't need a third one. I was going to buy it for trade bait because I'm not going to leave a chase in the wild when I could buy it and use it to make a trade. So I had that in my hands, and I ran into this dude, man. He was like the Funko Pop Angel. The Funko Pop Chase Angel. I won't say his name. I don't know if he wants to be shouted out like that. But I'll tell you. He looks at me. He's on the ground going through boxes. And he goes, man, I just found 3 chases. I don't want them. Are you looking for a Razor Ramon? I'm like, yes. Because I already have a Razor Ramon up top over there in the corner, but I want another one to take out the box and put on my dashboard in my truck. So I definitely wanted the Razor Ramon, like a secondary one. So they're not available for trades, like either or. But I did get the Razor Ramon from FYE, and I did not get the Black Panther because he needed a Black Panther. Why would I not hook him up, since he just like totally hooked me up? He helped me look for him. He's like, there's one here, let me help you, there's one there. I mean, really an awesome guy. And it's cool because I collect sneakers, and I have experiences like this with sneakers, but never with Funko Pops, where there's people just showing love for the same thing that we love, like this passion for these Funko Pops, these vinyl figures. So I really respected that he showed love like that. So, like, I had to hook him up with this one right here. Well, not this physical one, but the Black Panther. Now, he also was like, okay, well, you know, there's The Rock. And at first I wasn't going to get him, but, you know, I was listening to my friend Don Tony, and he has a podcast. It's actually Don Tony and Kevin Castle. And Don Tony has a solo show, This Week in Wrestling History. And he was talking so much about The Rock. And it was the anniversary this week with John Cena when he came back to WWE. And he was totally roasting John Cena. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to get this one because I was listening to that podcast. Make sure if you're a fan of wrestling to check out the Don Tony and Kevin Castle show. And they're on iTunes. They're all over the place. Check out the Don Tony and Kevin Castle show. I was listening to that, and it just, I enjoy listening to that show so much because I'm a big wrestling fan. So when they were talking about it, I was like, you know what? I'm going to get myself another Rock. So I got this Rock chase right here. And I also, I'm pretty sure I got myself one more chase. Where is it? Wait a minute. Hold up. Oh, right here. So There's no way in hell I wasn't going to pass up on this Jack Torrance right there. So I got myself a Jack Torrance chase in 2018. I guess they have made more maybe, but I haven't heard of anyone scoring a Jack Torrance chase in a while. If you know someone that has, let me know in the comment box below. But this is an amazing Funko Pop right here, and I had to get this. There's no way in hell I was going to pass on that. So I really scored big time. Even though I didn't buy the Black Panther, think about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chases going to 3 stores today. That's incredible. And I got this amazing Daryl Dixon exclusive. I love this one. I love the Sasha one. You can get this over at Funko's website. You can get this at FYE. I will link that in the description box below. Show that love. Subscribe if you love Funko Pops. If you have that passion like we do. Subscribe. Hit the little bell. Let YouTube know you'd like to be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you for tuning in. I am looking for the Pennywise chase. I am willing to trade more than one Funko Pop for the Pennywise chase. Hit me up over at Delz Toy Show. That should be linked in the description box below. Happy hunting, everyone. Let me know what you're looking for, what you found lately. And I also got the King Ezekiel in my car. I forgot to show that. I'll do a new video very soon. If you haven't smashed that thumbs up, please do. Show support to the channel. Leave your comments. I love reading comments. And everyone, have a great day.
It's bigger.
DJ Delz.
It's bigger. On the lot, baby.
Let's go.
Somebody tell me why this world's so cold, so cold, so cold. Tell me why I keep the fofo, fofo, fofo. Tell me why this world is so cold, so cold, so cold. Tell me why I keep the fofo everywhere I go. The streets so slippery. These streets so slippery. These streets so slippery. So slippery. So slippery. So slippery. So slippery. So cold. So cold. So cold. Tell me why I keep